How to create animated video in Canva for free. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, go to canva.com. Sign up using your Microsoft account, Google, Facebook, or an email. Now you need to create a design. Once logged in, you need to click on Create a Design button at top left corner of the screen. Among this option, you need to select Video, and after that, you will reach on the section where you can use different tools here in order to design your animated video. So first and foremost thing what you need to do is simply you need to go to Elements tab at top left corner of this screen. Now click on search bar and you need to type in character and press enter on your keyboard. Go to graphics in order to find different kinds of free elements, images or icons for your animations. So here are all the pro features. So this one is the free one because there is no pro sign here. So simply let's drag after you choose any of the icon or tool, and once you have selected, you can simply edit this. You can expand this or minimize this as well. And once you have done that, you need to simply click on the edit icon and you can edit more. So now let's go to text tab at bottom left corner and choose it. From here, you can easily choose from this default text style as well, or you can scroll and choose this dynamic text, font combinations and many more. So let's click add a heading and write a text. For example, welcome to Create Login and Delete. So once you have done that, you can simply select the font style, the color of this text, put the animations for this text and many more. So let's add some or decrease the font size first of all. And once done, you can easily change the font style as well. So let's choose another one. Like you can use Playpen Sans, Playwright US Strand, and Canva student font as well, and according to your choice any one. You can place it any way of your choice, expand this as well, and after that you can simply put the colors as well. So let's choose the color for our text. First of all, let's choose this text. So you can either choose the effects by clicking on effects bottom, and let's choose splice one, and you can increase the thickness, the offsets and direction as well. So let's choose the shadow one or any one according to your choice. So once you are done with that, close this tab and we are done with the text one. Further, you can add other as well if you would like to. So once you are done with customizing your text, further you can animate your elements as well. Select an element or text and then click on Animate button at top right corner of the screen. Here are different featured animations. You can come under channel which are for free and use this. So you can see the preview as well. And after that you can simply scroll down again and choose from in or out as well. And then you can choose the intensity, but this is for pro. If you have pro feature, then only you'll be able to add that. After that you can choose for these text as well. choose the animate button again, scroll down, and here are the simply suggested one. And here you can choose the direction, but this is for the pro features. And once you are done with that, you can choose the position as well. And now you can also import animated characters from Animaker. Like you can open animaker.com to create more dynamic characters. You can design a character, add expressions, and animate it using their free tools. After that, export the characters and import it into Canva to enhance your project. Then you can add music as well. In Canva, you can search for the music with the help of the elements. So let's choose the chill music and press enter. So here you need to search for the audio option. If it is not available in this way, simply choose or search for that. You can even upload also and choose any of this free music without the pro sign. So you can simply place the music where you wanna add the music and simply crop the music as well of your choice. And once you are done with that, you can simply click on this play button and see the preview as well. So once you are done with that, you can click on share button at the right corner of the screen and simply save it on your device. So that's how we can easily create animated video in Canva for free. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.